morning, everybody. Welcome to another set of Metro Bank team building. Our client today is South Metro Manila 3 for Metro Bank. Second run.
Good morning, SMM3! Walang South pa mo. Akala ko ba, pag sinabi kong SMM3, anong sasagutin nyo?
South Pamor!
Yun! SMM3? Yun, energy na energy kayo this Saturday, ha? So, good morning and thank you for giving your Saturday for this event. I know dami nating mga chores. Parang tayo, pare-parehas lang naman tayo eh. Pero thank you for gracing this event. We would just want everybody to, build the team, no? Build SMM3. Diba? So, ayoko nang mangaral ng mga financials natin. Tigilan muna natin yan. Sabado naman, wala namang office ngayon. Good morning and do your best for today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Beanies of Pastor C!
I'm Beanie! Beanie Birata! Hi! I'm Beanie! Beanie Hag! Hi! I'm Beanie! Beanie Tis!
Hi! I'm Beanie! Beanie
I'm expecting on this activity, to have a strengthened camaraderie within the team, and most especially owning their own roles and embed eagerness to contribute to their own teams, and of course to the overall success of the area. I think that is my most or utmost aspiration for this activity, and thank you very much.
Sad. Okay, di ba sad, di ba? They have to win and winning is very personal. I've seen people like this in my other clients na kailangan ako lang. Okay, ang bida. So there's nothing wrong with being good or great in what you do. As I always say, Steve Martin, the comedian said, be so good at what you do that they cannot deny you. Yung tipong pag wala ka, bali yung pakpak nila. Gets? Yung tipong pag wala ka, oh my God, kulang ang ating team. Kulang ang squad. And there's nothing wrong with that. So, as I always say to some of my clients, nobody's indispensable, right? Pwede kang palitan. Diba? Whichever position you have, pwede kang palitan. Do you agree? Nobody is indispensable. Can you say that? Nobody is indispensable.